Good day, everyone. Learn how to delete multiple videos or photos in iPhone. So I'll open the Photos app in iPhone and then we can go to the recent or just click on this collection and you can go with recently saved or recently like videos or screenshot. I'll go with recently saved and you can see I have a lot of photos and videos and I want to delete some of them. So what I'll do, I will not press and hold on the image. I will simply click on select from the top, and then I'll click one by one whatever the image or photo I want to delete. Now I have selected. If I want to select more, I can simply scroll down. And then I'll simply click on this recycle bin delete sign and I'll click on delete items. And this is how you can delete multiple images or videos in iPhone. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.